901 Hotel, turn left heading 130, runway 17 left, clear for takeoff.
Reach out of South Austin Tower, turn left heading 130, then 17 left, cleared for takeoff.
Southwest 2718, still the field in sight?
Inside, Southwest 2718.
Southwest 2718, cleared visual approach, runway 35 right, just do not exceed 170 knots.
Keep below 170 to the visual 35 right, Southwest 2718.
For 5 to Quebec, turn left heading 170.
Left turn 170, 5 to Quebec.
Southwest 2718, contact tower 121.0, have a good one.
Good night, Southwest 2718. Approach Delta 1879 with your level at 6,000, descending via the Suzy 4 arrival, landing north 35 right.
For 5 to Quebec, turn right heading 260.
Right turn, 260, 5 to Quebec.
Delta 1879 Austin approach, good evening, expect 35 right.
35 right, Delta 1879.
Turn 5 to Quebec, traffic to follow. On that heading will be 12 o'clock, 4 miles northbound, 1,600, 737.
Alright, we'll look for that traffic, 5 to Quebec.
Quebec traffic now at your like 10 o'clock and 3 miles northbound, 1,600, southwest 737.
Traffic inside, 5 to Quebec.
5 to Quebec, follow that traffic, caution wake turbulence, contact tower.
Going to tower, caution wake turbulence, 5 to Quebec, thanks for your help, see ya.
5 to Quebec, before you go, just verify, follow that traffic.
Yes, number 2, following traffic, Cessna 5 to Quebec.
Thank you, sir, have a good day. Delta 1879 to 718 2000.
Just over.
Tower, Skyhawk 5 to Quebec, following southwest 737, number 2 for 35 right.
Says a 5 to Quebec, Austin Tower, only 35 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 35 right, 5 to Quebec.
Says a 5 to Quebec, caution wake turbulence for the 737.
Caution wake turbulence, 5 to Quebec.
RV876, turn left to the next taxiway and contact ground down point 9, good day.
What's up, the ground point 9,
Southwest 5215, contact departure, good day. Southwest 5215, full.
Austin Tower, Med 14 with you, level 1,100.
Med 14, Austin Tower, roger, are you medevac status?
We are medevac status, correct, Med 14.
JetBlue 1417, Austin Tower, fly runway heading, runway 35 left, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff, runway heading, JetBlue 1417, off 37 left. Southwest 2718, turn left at Golf, contact ground on point 9, good day.
Left at Golf and switching to ground, good day, Southwest 2715.
Tower, flight to Quebec, we're going to land a little long just to stay on top of that turbulence.
On Tower, say again?
So, flight to Quebec, we're going to land a little long just to stay on top of that wake turbulence.
Flight to Quebec, Roger. JetBlue 1417, contact departure, good day.
Departure JetBlue 1417, good day. Tower, good evening, Delta 1879 with you on the visual, 35 right.
Delta 1879, Austin Tower, runway 35 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 35 right, Delta 1879.
Power's going to idle. Pitch for level flight. Straighten out.
President 52 Quebec, turn left when able, contact ground on point 9, good day.
Left turn on the reverse here and going to ground. Flight to Quebec, have a good day.
Tower, Red Stripe 670, visual, 35 right. Who's that calling, Tower? Red Stripe 670. Red Stripe 670, runway 3.
And 1 Kilo Tango, you can follow the Challenger to runway 35 right.
Follow the Challenger, 181 Kilo Tango.
Austin ground, 715 to Quebec, clear of 35 at Lima.
52 Quebec, Austin, where are you parking?
Going to Atlantic.
52 Quebec, you can make the right turn on Alpha, it'll be Alpha and Kilo to parking.
Alpha Kilo to park, flight to Quebec.